today's edition, another very lovely one from us at Bellissimo Fashions. You're still on to Gist with Bellissimo Fashions. Okay, so today I'll be talking to you about something very important: how to make money in your fashion business. In fact, it is a secret to making money in this fashion business that I'll be telling you about today. To break it down, first of all, you can't make money in fashion business. It's just the truth, and I'll explain why. Before I go into that, have you subscribed? You need to subscribe to this because I'll be dishing out to you weekly different fashion gist, things relating to fashion. And in fact, unless you're subscribed to us before, you could get regular updates on the details that I'll be sharing with you. So click that button, the subscribe button, get the notification bell so that you can always be notified on our latest video. Now, I said to you that you can't make money in fashion. The reason why I said so is, first of all, the process of making money is done by the print. It's called the NSPM. They are the ones responsible for making money in Nigeria. Why is it called NSPM? It's called NSPM because the Nigerian Security Printing Mint. Okay, that means that they are responsible for the process of making money in Nigeria. In other countries, they are also available in other countries, and sometimes we do contract this job of making money to them. So when we now know that they are the ones charged with the duties of making money, that means there has to be another way for you as a fashion designer to make money in your business. The way you are expected to make money in your business is simply by offering something we call value. When you offer value, you are then liable, you are then expected to make money. Now, when we talk about value offering in fashion business, we are talking about two different things, and these two things are, it's either you're offering value by service or you're offering value by the products that you offer. So you as a fashion designer, you need to ask yourself this: what kind of value would you be offering to your clients to be able to enable them pay you back in return the kind of money you are looking for? It's not enough to just sit down and wish that you are making a certain amount of money in your business. You have to be able to know what type of business you need to be able to offer to them for them to pay you back in return. I learned somewhere that the monies we offer, that money in itself is actually value. You exchange value to get money. That's to say that the money, when you have 1,000 naira, it is not 1,000 naira, that paper, that is the money that you are having in particular. You are actually having the amount of value that 1,000 naira can give to you. We are saying to you that if this phone is supposed to be 35,000 naira and you have just 1,000 naira, it means you cannot buy this phone with your 1,000 naira unless you have 34 extra of that your 1,000 naira to be able to get this phone. Same thing. What kind of business would you be doing? What kind of fashion related solution would you be offering to people to enable them give you a certain amount of money? I'll break it down into the kind of business I do. I, as a fashion designer, the type of fashion designer I have decided to be is the one that offers solutions to people who are interested in learning how to sew. That's to say that if you want to learn how to sew and you click on the name Bellissimo Fashion School, you would be directed to me, where I offer you a certain service, which is I am teaching you how to sew. Now, to be able to make sure I offer this service to you, one, I have trained myself in that field. Secondly, I have established centers where you can come to us and then people are available to put you through this process. Now, these people that are available to put you through this process, I, as Valissimo, I'm responsible towards them getting their salaries, towards them having a conducive environment to be able to teach you. Those are the things I have added to my business to enable me charge a certain amount of money, which I am entitled to get as a result of the students coming to say, I want to learn from you. That's what we're talking about. Let's look at a person who makes clothes for people to wear. So you say, I offer you this kind of service, in the sense that my clothes become this as the service I give to you. That clothes encompasses the service and the product at the end of the day. So you say, if I'm making you this dinner dress will cost you XYZ to be able to make. Hence, at the end of the day, you get the value of that by getting the dress I have now made to you. So at the end of the day, you are offering them that small bit as this is the value I give to you. Hence, you need to pay me the XYZ I have agreed for. Now, the kind of value you give on that product you give out determines if someone tomorrow believes that you are valued enough to be able to get the XYZ. I'll explain what that part means. It means that a person could make an outfit that costs a certain amount of money. Let's put it into perspective. Let's say I make a dress that's valued at 80,000 naira. Now, I as a person today, I have worked on my brand up to the point where I could say, yes, when I make an outfit, it would be valued at 80,000 naira. That's like an example. If tomorrow a new fashion designer who has just started hasn't worked on a brand up to the extent where she can say to people, my own dress too cost a total of 80,000 naira. When she puts that out there, people will not believe her, hence they will not be ready to give her that kind of money. We're saying that the idea behind it is, before you can put a premium charge on yourself and say this is the amount of money I want to be able to collect on this particular type of outfit, it means your clients should be able to say, oh yes, you can now get this kind of money because you have worked on your brand to this extent. That brings us to another topic, which is how best or how well are you working on yourself to be able to charge the kind of amount you desire to charge on your people. So till I come your way next time where we expand on this particular topic, stay blessed, and I hope the one or two things I have talked to you about today, you would put it into mind. Remember, you can't make money in this business, you can only earn money. Now, by earning money, you must be able to give value in terms of services or in terms of the product you offer. Now, this product or the service you offer, how best are you working on yourself to be able to give that value in the service you give, so that you can charge a certain amount of money that your clients feel you are worthy of charging. Have you clicked the subscribe button? Please do. There's so many fashion gists I'll be giving to you on this channel that will be very, very important for your business. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.